Long maintenance and repair times may have unexpected consequences. Nobody expects service technicians to become wedding planners, but with the right information tools, they could have helped this groom get to his bride on time. Our solutions make service and repairs faster and easier. Using dynamic information instead of static manuals means that you have access to all relevant product data and you get specific, immediate answers even to the most complex problems. Let us help your service team save the day.